Hello everyone and welcome to Science with Miss Trevino. Today we are going to be working on our worksheet for today. So go ahead, take some time and look for this worksheet, okay? I'll give you some time. Pause the video. All right, we are back. So make sure your name is on top and the date as well, okay? So let me go ahead and write the date, which is 5/21. All right, let's go ahead and let's get started. It says, follow the path. Trace each word when the bee lands on the flower. So let's go ahead and let's get our pencil and let's follow the path. Starting with the bee, let's go to the first one. So the bee lands on this flower, and this flower says, sound it out, get ready. Seeds. Yes, it says seeds. So go ahead and trace the word seeds. All right, so the next one, let's go ahead and let's follow our path. Let's continue. The bee is moving, and it lands on the next flower. So the next flower says, move your mouth, get ready. Pollen. Yes, if you said pollen, you are correct. So the bee now transfers the pollen. Go ahead and trace the word pollen. All right. The bee is now moving to the next flower. Trace, and it lands on the next one. So, this is a tough word. I will help you out with this one. Try to sound it out, though. Move your mouth. Get ready. It was a tough one. This word is reproduce or make more. So, reproduce. Go ahead and copy the word. Trace the word reproduce. It's kind of hard with my mouse, boys and girls, but... All right. So first, right now we have seeds is the first step. And then it's pollen. And then it's reproduce. All right. The bee is flying to the next flower. Let's go. Follow. And stop. Look at this word. It's another hard word. Move your mouth. What word? Pollination. Pollination. I want you all to try to say that word, pollination. This is when the insect or bees, whatever, bees, bats, any kind of bug, gets the pollen from the other flower and moves it to another flower, which is called a pollination. All right, and we are done. Now, let's go ahead and let's do our quick check, okay? So our quick check says, does pollination help plants make seeds? Think. Get ready. Yes. If you said yes, you are correct. Go ahead and color your smiley face. Good. All right. Next one says, Does pollination help plants to make more plants? Get ready. Yes, it does. Go ahead and circle, color in the smiley face. I am so sorry, boys and girls. This one is actually incorrect. This one is no, it does not. Does pollination help plants make seeds? No, it does not. Let me erase that one, sorry. So sorry, boys and girls. So I couldn't find my red, oh, there it is. There's my red one. So, sorry, I made a mistake. Does pollination help plants make seeds? And the answer is no. My bad, I'm so sorry. All right, boys and girls, so this is it for today. I will see you next time with Science with Mr. Vino. Bye, everyone.